Ever wondered what it feels like to walk on the moon? Well, you don't have to be an astronaut to experience it. In the heart of Bolivia, the Altiplano offers a surreal landscape that defies earthly physics. Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers. Formed from the prehistoric Lago Minchin, this vast expanse holds around 11 billion tons of salt. Beneath the salt crust lies lithium-rich brine, making up 70% of the world's lithium reserves. The Salar is surrounded by natural wonders like belching volcanoes, steaming hot springs, and snow-capped mountains. During the wet season, the salt flats transform into a cosmic mirror, reflecting the sky in a mesmerizing display. Pink lakes, endless horizons, and playful scales make this place a dreamscape for artists and photographers alike. One of the best ways to explore the Salar is on a guided 4WD tour, which usually lasts 3 to 4 days. Tours often start from the dusty town of Uyuni, but you can also begin your adventure from Tupiza or San Pedro de Atacama. Safety is key, so ensure your tour includes seatbelts, emergency radio transmitters, and a first aid kit. Your journey begins at the train cemetery, where rusting locomotives tell tales of a bygone era. You'll traverse the vast salt flats, visit Islawasi, and marvel at coral-like rock formations and geysers. Keep your camera ready for llamas, flamingos, vicunas, and foxes that inhabit this otherworldly terrain. Some tours even take you to the Cocesa Caves, home to ancient ceramics and millennia-old mummies. The best time to visit depends on what you want to see. Dry salt pans in winter or reflective surfaces in summer. Getting there can be an adventure in itself, with options ranging from night buses to private transport and flights. Remember, the altitude is over 3,650 meters, so acclimatize in La Paz to avoid altitude sickness. Pack essentials like a camera, sunglasses, warm clothes, and a sleeping bag for those chilly nights. Don't forget snacks, water, and a little cash for unexpected expenses or souvenirs. Ready to experience the magic of Salar de Uyuni? This is one adventure you'll never forget.